Hey there, smart shoppers. Welcome back to another episode of Buy Smart, the channel where we compare products to help you make better purchasing decisions. Today we have a face-off between two treadmills that will surely get your heart rate pumping. On the left, we have the Cursor Fitness Home Folding Treadmill, and on the right, we have the VIPLAT Walking Pad Treadmill. Let's dive right into the comparisons and find out which one will take the crown as the ultimate home workout companion. Let's start with everyone's favorite category, price. The Cursor Fitness Home Folding Treadmill comes in at $299, while the VIPLAT Walking Pad Treadmill is priced at $249. That's a $50 difference, folks. If you're looking to save some bucks, the VIPLAT Walking Pad might be calling your name. Now let's talk about the motor. The Cursor Fitness Treadmill boasts a quiet brushless motor with a maximum power of 2.5 HP. It provides efficient, reliable, and low-maintenance operation. Plus, it emits only 40 to 65 decibels of noise, so you won't disturb your downstairs neighbors or the next-door dog who's trying to catch some sleep. On the other hand, the VIPLAT Walking Pad Treadmill also features a 2.5 horsepower motor that can withstand up to 242 pounds of weight. And guess what? It operates at less than 45 decibels. So you can enjoy a quiet and comfortable exercise even in the office. No more disturbing your coworkers with your workout soundtrack. Moving on to features, both treadmills have some impressive offerings. The Cursor Fitness Treadmill comes with a digital LED console that displays your time, speed, distance, calories burned, and even your heart rate. You can choose from 12 preset programs or customize your own workout routine. Plus, it has a spacious 15.4 x 40.2-inch running area, providing ample leg and elbow space for you, your family, and even your furry friends. And let's not forget about the Cursor Care service team based in Los Angeles, offering 24/7 support and a 5-year warranty. That's some peace of mind right there. Now let's take a look at the VIPLAT Walking Pad. This compact treadmill saves space with its ultra-thin design, measuring only 5.7 inches thick. You can easily store it vertically under your desk, bed, or even your sofa. It's like having a hidden workout buddy. The walking pad also features a shock-absorbent and non-slip running belt with 8 impact-absorbing zones to protect your knees and joints. And here's the cherry on top. They offer a lifetime service guarantee. So if you have any concerns or questions, their customer support team will have your back. Based on online reviews, customers have praised the Cursor Fitness Home Folding Treadmill for its ease of assembly, compact size, lightweight design, and suitable speeds for walking or jogging. They appreciate the convenience of being able to work out indoors on days of bad weather and praise the affordable price. On the other hand, the VIPLAT Walking Pad Treadmill has been highly recommended for its user-friendly setup, compact and portable design, and convenience for daily step goals. Customers have found it easy to use while watching TV or reading and appreciate its durability and efficiency. And there you have it, folks. We've compared the Cursor Fitness Home Folding Treadmill and the VIPLAT Walking Pad Treadmill in terms of price, motor, and features. Now it's time for you to decide which one suits your needs better. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more product comparisons and smart shopping tips. Until next time, stay smart and happy shopping.